PCI DSS requirement 12.5.2 addresses scope. It requires that you document and confirm the scope of your CD at least every 12 months and upon significant changes to the in-scope environment. So this is very important for organizations to thoroughly consider this and document it properly. Oftentimes we will work with companies that don't do a good job in this area, but there are successful companies that do this, and they do a good, thorough job of documenting the systems in scope for their PCI DSS environment. They will discuss the data flows in their documentation. They will update their data flow diagrams. They will include in their scope, as required by the requirement, the third parties that have access to their cardholder data environment and the controls around those. You'll want to have updated network diagrams. You'll want to address in this scope document your segmentation controls. These are all very important to achieve compliance with requirement 12.5.2.